Kumusta guys? Roy J Vlog is here. This is already the rep. And then gas stove. The light. Kitchen. This is the dining. Storage. And then it's the this is dishwasher.
Is it okay, the dishwashing?
How many rooms in here? This is 2 rooms. Two rooms. Nice. This is nice one. It's a bathroom. There's a bathroom here. 2 rooms. This cabinet. Dalawang room. First room. This is a bathroom too. Individual bathroom. Nice.
Okay.
Nice, huh?
Yeah.
The smell is good, no?
Yeah.
Internet,
Yeah.
AT&T.
That's the entrance.
I guess you have to clean your own toilet,
Yeah.
right?
Yeah.
This is a huge room, Eli. Big room,
Yeah.
both sides.
Yeah, they're both big.
Or you can stay there together and do everything.
There's a supports. Supports. There's the water.
You can put
That's there. What's this, the washer like? Heater one? That's the heater. This one is to.
It's just
Oh,
that's the
this the storage room. The storage room.
We'll have to ask them if we can. I don't know if there's an additional cost to that.
How much is this?
the 6
6, yeah.
26?
for the lady.
1.
How much?
How much?
How much for the
And
rent?
if you can put washer in there. Kaso, walang
What? Drain?
drain.
It's in there, see? It open.
No. Then they'll probably complain.
Mm-hmm.
Why you put the water in there?
I don't know.
Okay.
Dito sa labas yun eh.
Yeah, but why they put water in there?
It might just be for plants. I think that's good.
Yeah,
Dirty water is different.
yeah. See, they have the outlet. Oh, well.
Hindi, no.
This is the second one. There's a light. Put in the light. This is the second one. Condo unit. What is it?
Halos pareho lang eh. Kailan yung isang bathroom. May walk-in closet pa. Oh.
Yeah.
Nice, huh?
But the bathroom on this room is going through. You go out the room to bathroom, right? Yeah. Walk closet.
Ano yan?
No laundry in here.
No.
Yeah, you guys have the laundry?
Is it the laundry?
No laundry.
No laundry? Yeah, no.
I thought there is.
Yeah. That's it. This is the dining room and then the kitchen. Pantry.
I think that one, the living room will be there with that one.
Yeah, I think so. Because this one, it has a...
They have the window here for the kitchen. And this is the light, right?
Pero like dito.
I was, no lights here. No light here.
Sa labas yata yan eh.
Yeah, it's outside. You like this one? No, I think so.